This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change transmission fluid in a Fiat 500. This is a crucial maintenance task that can significantly improve your car's shifting performance and extend the life of your gearbox. We will cover everything from gathering the right tools and fluid to the step-by-step draining and refilling process. Performing this service yourself can save you money and give you a better understanding of your vehicle's needs. Before you begin, gather your tools: a drain pan, a funnel with a 2-foot hose, and a socket wrench with 10mm and 12mm Allen sockets. You will also need about 2 quarts of 75W90 GL4 or GL5 manual transmission fluid. Safely lift your Fiat 500 using jack stands or a lift, ensuring the vehicle is perfectly level for accurate fluid level readings. First, warm up your transmission by driving for approximately 30 minutes. This helps the fluid drain more easily. Once the car is safely elevated and level, locate the fill plug on the front of the transmission, usually a 12mm Allen. Remove this plug first. Next, find the drain plug on the bottom or rear of the transmission, which might be a 10mm or 12mm Allen, and remove it to let the old fluid drain completely. After the old fluid has fully drained, reinstall the drain plug, tightening it to the recommended torque specification. Now, insert your hose into the fill hole and slowly pour in the new transmission fluid. Continue filling until the fluid just begins to seep out of the fill hole. Reinstall the fill plug, lower your vehicle, and then gently cycle through all the gears a few times to ensure the new fluid is properly distributed throughout the transmission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.